This is the problem I seem to be having with the blend door drift. Right now you can see that the EATC module is set to the face mode, and I've got the blend door set up so that at the moment it's pointing to the face. Now if I press the footwell, it should advance to a footwell position, which will play a bit of extra air down there. And then if I remove that, it should come back to the right position. But you can see that it's come back too far. Now if I advance it again, and then remove it, it comes back even further. If I advance it one more time, and bring it back again, it returns too far. So it doesn't seem to push forward as far as it comes back. I've tried to test a lot of things. I've changed the actuator to a different actuator. Well, it's the same part number, but a different actuator. I've changed the EATC module in case there was some sort of weirdness in the programming. I've checked the pin lines. There's 5 cables connected on a 6-pin connector. There's a voltage, 2 forward dipole stepper motor pins and 2 reverse dipole stepper motor pins. They're all connected through to the back. I'm at a bit of a loss. Thinking cap has to go on. But anyway, the result is that I can synchronize it, as in when I install it. I have 2 cogs, not the genuine cogs, mind you. They are cogs that I have 3D printed, but they have the same number of teeth on each cog. And that shouldn't make any difference because it should be able to forward the same number of steps as back. So why is it progressing not as many steps forward as it is in reverse? I would have thought maybe one of the dipole pins in the forward direction might be broken, but pin connection says that's not true. What's going on?